How to set custom live wallpapers on Mac easily. Step 1. Pick your video. Find a short video you like. Just download it first. Save it on your desktop. Step 2. Open the right folder. First, click Finder, and at the top of the screen, click Go, then Computer. Then open Macintosh HD, then Library, then select Application Support, then go to com.apple.idleassetsd, then Customer, then 4K SD 240 FPS. Step 3. Copy a file name. Inside this folder are Apple's live videos. Pick any one, copy its name, and rename it to something simple. Step 4. Add your video. Now take your video from the desktop and drag it into the same folder. When asked, type your Mac password. Then rename your video using the exact name you copied from the Apple video. Make sure the ending is .mov. Step 5. Apply the live wallpaper. Right-click on your desktop and choose Change Wallpaper. Find the video by its thumbnail. It won't show the name, but the picture will look like your video. Click it and boom, your Mac now has a custom live wallpaper. Okay, that's it. You've just made your Mac extra cool. Try it with different videos and show off to your friends.